The rise of humanoid robots marks a turning point in the evolution of technology. These machines, designed to mimic human appearance and behavior, are rapidly advancing and entering various industries, from healthcare to entertainment. But as humanoid robots become more capable and lifelike, one big question remains. Are we truly prepared for the changes they bring? Let's explore the exciting potential, challenges, and ethical concerns surrounding humanoid robots and how they might shape our future. 1. The rise of humanoid robots. Humanoid robots have come a long way from their early, clunky prototypes. Today, advanced robotics and AI allow these machines to move, speak, and interact with humans in increasingly sophisticated ways. Companies like Boston Dynamics and Hanson Robotics are leading the charge, creating robots that can walk, talk, and even express emotions. These robots are being designed for a wide range of applications, from personal assistants to customer service representatives. However, with every leap in technology comes new challenges. As humanoid robots become more lifelike, the line between human and machine becomes blurrier. Some people are concerned about the potential psychological and social impact of interacting with robots that look and behave like humans. Could this lead to confusion or even emotional attachment? The rise of humanoid robots raises important questions about our relationship with machines. 2. How humanoid robots are changing industries. Humanoid robots are not just a novelty, they are transforming industries. In healthcare, robots are being developed to assist with surgeries, provide elderly care, and support people with disabilities. In customer service, robots can greet guests, answer questions, and even offer personalized recommendations. These robots are increasingly capable of taking on roles that were once filled by humans, leading to increased efficiency and cost savings for businesses. However, the widespread adoption of humanoid robots may also lead to significant job displacement. As robots take on more roles traditionally held by humans, many workers may find themselves facing automation. This raises important economic and social questions about job security and the future of work. How will society handle the balance between technological advancement and the need for human employment? 3. The role of artificial intelligence in humanoid robots. Artificial intelligence is the backbone of humanoid robots, enabling them to understand and respond to their environment. AI algorithms allow robots to process visual and auditory data, make decisions, and learn from their experiences. This level of intelligence allows robots to interact with humans in a more natural, human-like way. However, the integration of AI into humanoid robots also introduces risks. AI systems can be vulnerable to biases in data and programming errors, which may cause robots to make mistakes or act in unexpected ways. Additionally, the development of AI capable of making autonomous decisions raises concerns about accountability. If a humanoid robot makes a mistake or causes harm, who is responsible? The robot, its creators, or its users? 4. The ethical dilemmas of humanoid robots. As humanoid robots become more integrated into society, they present new ethical dilemmas. One major concern is the potential for robots to replace human interaction in sensitive environments, such as elder care or mental health treatment. While robots may be able to perform tasks efficiently, they cannot replicate the emotional connection that humans provide. Furthermore, there are concerns about the privacy of data collected by humanoid robots. These machines can gather vast amounts of personal information, including facial expressions, voice patterns, and even physical movements. This raises questions about who owns this data and how it is used. The ethical implications of humanoid robots go far beyond their capabilities. They also require careful consideration of how they impact society as a whole. 5. The future of humanoid robots. Opportunities and risks. The future of humanoid robots holds exciting possibilities. These machines could revolutionize everything from healthcare to entertainment, offering new levels of efficiency, personalization, and convenience. However, the rapid development of humanoid robots also presents risks. As robots become more autonomous and capable, the potential for misuse increases. For example, humanoid robots could be used for surveillance, military purposes, or even unethical experiments. Moreover, as robots become more lifelike, society will need to grapple with the psychological and emotional effects of interacting with machines that resemble humans. Will we become too reliant on robots for companionship, care, and assistance? As we move forward, it will be essential to strike a balance between embracing the benefits of humanoid robots and addressing the potential risks they pose. 6. Humanoid robots and human interaction. Humanoid robots are designed to engage with humans in ways that feel familiar and intuitive. Their human-like appearance and behavior allow them to fit into everyday settings, such as homes, offices, and hospitals. By understanding human emotions and responding appropriately, these robots can provide comfort and support in ways that traditional machines cannot. This makes them especially useful in environments like elder care, where robots can provide companionship and help with daily tasks. However, human interaction with humanoid robots also presents challenges. There is a concern that relying too heavily on robots for social interaction could diminish our ability to connect with other humans. Additionally, the emotional bonds that may form between people and robots raise important questions about the role of technology in our emotional lives. Will humanoid robots change the way we experience relationships and intimacy? 7. The technological barriers to humanoid robots. Despite the rapid progress in humanoid robotics, several technological barriers remain. Creating robots that truly mimic human movement, expression, and cognition is an immense challenge. Current humanoid robots often struggle with tasks such as walking smoothly, balancing, and maintaining fluid interaction with humans. Moreover, developing AI that can understand and react to complex human emotions remains a significant hurdle. Additionally, the cost of developing and maintaining humanoid robots is still prohibitively high. Although advances in robotics have made these machines more accessible, widespread use of humanoid robots may remain out of reach for many industries and individuals. Overcoming these technological and financial barriers will be key to determining how soon humanoid robots will become a part of everyday life. 8. Social impact. Will humanoid robots replace human workers? The rise of humanoid robots brings up concerns about job displacement. As robots become more advanced, many tasks currently performed by humans could be automated. Industries like manufacturing, retail, and hospitality are already using robots to perform repetitive tasks, and this trend is likely to continue. The question is, what happens to workers who lose their jobs to robots? While humanoid robots could improve efficiency and reduce costs for businesses, they also raise significant questions about economic equality. Without proper policies and retraining programs, workers in industries heavily impacted by automation may face unemployment. It will be crucial for governments and businesses to address the social impact of humanoid robots, ensuring that the workforce is prepared for the changing job landscape. 9. The psychological effects of humanoid robots. Humanoid robots are not just machines. They are designed to interact with humans in a way that can evoke emotional responses. This has led researchers to study the psychological effects of interacting with robots that resemble people. For example, can a robot's companionship be just as fulfilling as human companionship? Will people form attachments to robots that they perceive as lifelike? There is also concern that humanoid robots could amplify feelings of loneliness and isolation. If people begin to form relationships with robots instead of other humans, it could change how we define social connection. The psychological impact of humanoid robots will be a key factor in determining how they are integrated into society in the future. 10. Are we ready for the age of humanoid robots? Humanoid robots offer tremendous potential for improving our lives, but they also pose challenges that we are not fully prepared to handle. From ethical concerns to economic implications, the introduction of these robots will require careful consideration and regulation. As we move into the future, the question remains: are we ready for the rapid integration of humanoid robots into our everyday lives? While some industries may benefit greatly from humanoid robots, it's crucial to ensure that society as a whole is ready for the changes they bring. We must carefully consider the balance between technological progress and social responsibility, ensuring that humanoid robots serve humanity in a way that enhances our quality of life, rather than disrupts it. 11. The role of humanoid robots in education. Humanoid robots have the potential to revolutionize education by providing personalized learning experiences. With their ability to interact with students in real time, These robots could offer one-on-one tutoring, adapt to individual learning styles, and provide immediate feedback. In classrooms, robots can engage students with dynamic teaching methods, fostering deeper learning and interest in subjects. However, the integration of humanoid robots in education may also face resistance from educators and parents. Concerns about replacing human teachers or reducing the importance of human interaction in the learning process are valid. The key will be finding a balance where robots complement human teachers, enhancing education without overshadowing the critical human element. 12. Humanoid robots in disaster response and recovery. In the wake of natural disasters, humanoid robots could play a crucial role in disaster response and recovery. Their ability to navigate hazardous environments, search for survivors, and assist in rebuilding efforts makes them invaluable tools for emergency services. Equipped with AI, robots can process complex data and make decisions in real time, aiding rescue teams in their operations. However, deploying humanoid robots in such high-stakes situations raises concerns about reliability and safety. Robots could malfunction in extreme conditions or be susceptible to cyber attacks, potentially endangering the very people they are meant to assist. As we look toward the future, ensuring that humanoid robots are resilient and trustworthy in disaster scenarios will be essential. 13. Humanoid robots in space exploration. The next frontier for humanoid robots may not be on Earth, but in outer space. NASA and other space agencies are exploring the use of humanoid robots for missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. These robots could assist astronauts by performing tasks such as equipment maintenance, conducting experiments, and even preparing habitats for future human colonization. Yet, space presents unique challenges for humanoid robots. They must be able to function in extreme environments, from the vacuum of space to the intense radiation on other planets. The development of humanoid robots capable of thriving in these conditions could mark a pivotal moment in space exploration, helping to pave the way for human expansion into the cosmos. 14. The impact of humanoid robots on family life. Humanoid robots have the potential to become integral parts of family life, providing assistance in household chores, caregiving, and even serving as companions. For families with elderly members or children with disabilities, these robots can offer support and enhance quality of life. They can help with daily tasks like cleaning, cooking, and even providing reminders for medication. However, their presence in family homes may also raise concerns about privacy and human connection. Will robots replace important family interactions, or will they be a helpful extension of the family unit? Balancing the convenience that humanoid robots provide with the need for meaningful human relationships will be critical in determining how they impact family dynamics. 15. The global race to develop humanoid robots. As humanoid robots become a cornerstone of technological innovation, countries around the world are racing to develop the most advanced and capable machines. Governments and private companies are pouring resources into robotics research to gain a competitive edge in industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and defense. The global competition is not just about building better robots, it's about shaping the future of work and technology on an international scale. However, this race also raises concerns about the implications for international relations and inequality. Countries with advanced robotic capabilities could dominate key industries, leaving others behind. As humanoid robots become central to economic and technological power, it will be essential to ensure that global cooperation, ethical standards, and regulation keep pace with the rapid advancements in robotics. Humanoid robots are rapidly changing the way we live, work, and interact with technology. From performing household chores to assisting in healthcare settings, these machines are becoming an integral part of our daily lives. As humanoid robots continue to evolve and grow more sophisticated, they raise important questions about our readiness for a future where they might coexist with us in even more personal and professional roles. These robots are no longer just a futuristic idea. They are already starting to reshape industries, enhance productivity, and revolutionize the way we think about automation. But with these advancements come challenges. Are we truly prepared for the ethical, social, and economic implications that humanoid robots might bring? How will they affect the job market, personal relationships, and privacy? Will they enhance human capabilities or ultimately replace them? As these machines become more advanced, it's crucial to ask ourselves whether we are ready to address the complex issues that will arise from living alongside intelligent robots. What do you think? Are we prepared for the future of humanoid robots? Will they make our lives better, or do they pose risks that we're not fully ready to handle? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more discussions on the future of robotics and technology.